Last week I was doom scrolling on TikTok when I saw a video of some dude showcasing his Zelda animation. And I was like, damn, it looks cool. Let me see what the comment. What the? So yeah, I witnessed his comments and it kind of reminded me of myself. Because every time that I talk about Blender with my friends, they always turn the conversation into, okay, so don't you want to like hook us up? Like I'm some sort of fucking dealer. And it's gone to the point where I'm getting these comments on my own channel. Like, bro, what the fuck? And it's not just me, like every artist that I see on Instagram who does female characters, they're all getting flooded with this shit. Which is like kind of funny and annoying at the same time. But I kind of do get what they mean. Like I would watch it too. But I wouldn't publicly say that. Oh. Hi. If you want to transform your art from something not so good to something that you're proud of and can get you clients, message me on Instagram and we'll get on a call and we'll pinpoint exact areas where you're lacking and help you to fucking fix them. If that sounds interesting, this is my Instagram. DM me right now. Like, damn, y'all really need to jack up and go to the horny jail. Okay, but what I'm trying to get, and absolutely struggling to do so, is that this whole thing made me dig a little deeper into this industry. And holy shit, dude, there are some people with, I'm telling you, fucking talent. Like I've seen some level of quality that I've always had a glimpse of in Love, Death and Robots. And of course, I'm not going to show you because obvious reasons, but you probably have seen them yourself. Just that watching this made me realize that from the dozens of people who start learning 3D, there are a good majority of them who choose the dark side. And I mean, no offense, whatever pays the bills. It's just funny that some of those folks have the skill capabilities to work on a Netflix animation. And now it's its own dedicated market. They make full-on courses on this to, I guess, lead the other artists who chose this path. But yeah, will I ever make corn? Probably not. But with that said, thanks for watching. Bye. See ya.